Mathematics 2B, chapter number 7, definite integration. This chapter belongs to calculus part. Definite integration part 1. Today discuss introduction of the definite integration. What is that introduction? Here already explained integration. Introduction explained, integration problems also completed, integration chapter also be completed. See that videos. After that, definite integration. In this definite integration, what is the definition? Definition is what here? Here f is a function. F is a integrable function. F is a function, integrable nothing but f is a integral function on the interval a comma b closed interval. A comma b closed interval, this f function is integrable, and capital F is a antiderivative of f. Antiderivative nothing but primitive. Antiderivative nothing but primitive. Primitive nothing but capital F is a antiderivative of f on interval a comma b. Here small f is a integrable function on the interval a comma b. Capital F is a antiderivative of f on the interval a comma b. This antiderivative also be called the primitive. Then integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of x dx is equal to, here a is what? Here a, where a is equal to lower limit. A is equal to what here? Lower limit. B is equal to upper limit. Here a to b is there. This can be read as integral a to b. Here a is a lower limit, b is a upper limit. F of x is a integrable function, that is equal to capital F of x a to b. Here integral function antiderivative is what? Capital F. Then capital F of x, here interval is a to b. Here a is the lower limit, b is the upper limit. After that you can substitute a limit. Here first you can substitute upper limit in place of x. What is the upper limit here? F of x value b, upper limit b, subtracted, substituted lower limit. Lower limit what? Here a. Then integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of x dx is equal to capital F of b minus capital F of a. This is the definition of definite integration. In this definite integration, a is lower limit, b is upper limit, f is integrable function, capital F is antiderivative of f. This is the formula. In this formula, you can apply limit. First you can apply upper limit minus, after that you can apply lower limit. This is the formula of the definite integration. In this definite integration, total problems between one interval, that is a to b or 0 to 1 or 0 to 3 or 1 to 2, 2 to 3, anyone. This integration defined one interval, that chapter is definite integration. In this definite integration you can answer any problem, constant value is the answer. After that some important formulas of the definite integration. Some important formulas. What is the important formulas? Important formulas. In this important formulas, first formula is integral. This is the first formula. Integral a to b f of x dx. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to f of b minus f of a. This is the first formula. After that, what is the second formula? What is the first formula? Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to f of b minus f of a. Here f is small function, here f is capital F, antiderivative. After that, integral a to a f of x dx. Integral a to a f of x dx equal to 0. Here upper limit, lower limit both are equal, that value equal to 0. After that, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is very important and very useful formula. What is that? Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. After that, integral a to b f of x dx. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Here integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integration are same, limits also be same, f of function is changed, that function is sum of the limits minus function. Sum of the limits nothing but a plus b minus x. After that, integral minus a to a f of x dx. Integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to, in this case having two cases. In this formula having two cases. One is integral 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. In this case f of x is even. After that, 0 f of x is odd. What is the meaning of even? What is the meaning of even? Here you can write in place of x minus x, if f of minus x is equal to f of x, f of minus x is equal to f of x, then the function f of x is called even function. If f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, that function is called odd function. Function is odd, this value equal to 0. Function is even, that value is 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. After that, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx are having two conditions. One is 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. Here f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. Here f of 2a minus x, f of 2a minus x value once again f of x. In this case you can write 2 into integral 0 to f of x dx, 0. In this case f of 2a minus x value is minus f of x. In this case f of 2a minus x value is minus f of x. This formula also be having two conditions. One is satisfying this condition, we can write this formula. Satisfying this condition, we can write this formula. This is a very important formulas of the definite integration chapter. These formulas are very useful and very important formulas. Next formula is integral a to b f of x dx. Integral a to b f of x dx. Here a comma b interval, suppose this is a comma b, this one is a, this one is b, this is the a comma b interval. In this interval divide c. In this interval divide c. In this divide c. A comma b interval divide c. Then a comma c is the one interval. After that c comma b is the another interval. Then you can write here a comma b interval can be write a comma c is one interval union c comma b is another interval. Nothing but this total interval divides one number, one real number, two parts. That's why this is the first part, this is the second part. You can write this part is the one interval, this part is the second interval. After that union these two intervals, you get a comma b interval. A comma b interval equal to a comma c interval and c comma b interval. Similarly here also be a comma b divides in this interval a value less than c value less than b. In this case you can write integral a to c, integral a to c f of x dx plus union nothing but adding plus integral c to b is the another interval, integral c to b. This is a very important formula of the definite integration. This formula using you can divide interval any one real number, you can write in this way. This is the formula, integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. This is a very important formula. These formulas are using definite integrations problem solving. These all formulas are very useful. Okay students, also these formulas also be using, and integration standard formulas is there. Integration 6th chapter integration standard formulas, all formulas are used in this chapter, definite integration chapter. That's why you can read and learn, and that formulas you get easily understood in this definite integration chapter.